Okay, first open the AB apps. After opening the apps, um, you can take a picture or scan barcode if there's a barcode, or you can type the name, the brand name, the name, and how many pieces. Okay, so the barcode is at the bottom. You can choose barcode scanning or take a picture. Okay, after that, we're gonna show like this. So, for example, you did not see, for example, if the one that shows is different, you can type here at the top. Okay, so you choose one, either or, it doesn't matter because I'll take care of it. Okay, so you can click that one. After clicking, we're gonna after clicking, okay, then we're gonna show. Scroll down, then see cell one like this. Then click. After you click, we're gonna be like this. So press the plus sign. So after you press in the plus sign, the logo picture. After that, take as much as you can, or at least 4 pictures. Okay, front, back, expiration date, and side, or more. It's up to 12 pictures. Okay. So after that, so you press this when you want to take a picture. Then after that, you click done. After done, then look for the item specific. Click here, then scroll at the very bottom. Okay, at the very bottom, you can see the custom SKU. Okay, this is only for the cell phones. Okay, or mobile. Oh, custom SKU. Type, box number or container, or if you have notes over here, you can put it here so I can read it. Okay, so after that, you click save for later. Okay, save for later. After that, we're gonna go to the draft, and that's it. That's all you're gonna do. So easy. All right, so if you have any question, let me know.